Hey everyone! Today I want to dive into a topic that's super important but often overlooked, recycling. Specifically, why some people just don't do it. You might think it's straightforward, but there are a few surprising reasons behind it. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about convenience. Imagine you just finished a soda. The bottle's sticky, and cleaning it feels like a chore. That's one big reason why people skip recycling. It's not just laziness. Sometimes it's a genuine barrier. People lead busy lives, and adding one more task can feel overwhelming. Next, let's tackle the issue of recycling programs, or the lack thereof. Believe it or not, many townships don't have proper recycling programs. If there's no easy way to recycle, it's no wonder people just throw things away. It's a systemic issue. And for those who do have recycling programs, the rules can be confusing or inconvenient. Blue bags, clear bags. Who wants to buy special bags just to recycle? Another factor is awareness and education. Some people just don't know what can and can't be recycled. There's a lot of misinformation out there. Contaminating a recycling bin with non-recyclables can actually cause more harm than good. And let's be honest, who has time to keep track of all those rules? Now, for the elephant in the room, apathy. Some folks just don't care. It's a harsh truth. Maybe they think one person can't make a difference, or they're skeptical about where their recyclables actually end up. There's a lot of cynicism out there, and it's a real challenge to overcome. So what can be done? For starters, making recycling easier and more accessible is key. Better education and clear guidelines can also help. And maybe, just maybe, a little more community spirit and involvement could make a big difference. Remember, each small action contributes to a larger impact. So the next time you're staring at that sticky soda bottle, think twice before tossing it in the trash. Every little bit counts. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's make a difference, one bottle at a time. See you next time.